So I got some inquiries about how I created this transition video. Let me walk you through it. You need a tripod stand or a place that you can actually keep your phone that it will be stable, just looking at one certain direction. So you are going to pick the area that you want your items to be in. When you pick the place, you make sure your tripod is faced towards that direction.
And you take a 2 seconds video of the empty space first.
You stop, then you put one of the items. Like this one, I'm putting the Abuja bread. I take another 2 seconds video and I stop. Then I take the next item that I have, which is pineapple. I play it again for 2 seconds, 1, 2, and I stop. Then I take the third item, add it to it, which is the banana. I start my recording again. I do it for 2 seconds and I stop. That's how I would continuously do all my items, and I will try and make sure that any of the other items that are already placed does not shake, you understand? So just put each item, record for 2 seconds, stop, put the next item, record for 2 seconds, stop. So after you have finished all your recordings, like all the items that you have, you go straight to CapCut. Now let's go to CapCut. Open CapCut, click on new project. When we click on new project, we start from the first video that we started with, which is the empty space in the background, and we click on add. Then we click on the plus sign to add multiple videos, like all the other videos that we did. So these are all the videos we did when we were pressing record and stop. So they were just like 3 seconds each. All our videos are here. The next thing we need to do is to trim the videos to how we want it. So for me personally, I like it to be 1 second each. So I just cut 1 second out of the video and delete the rest. Cut 1 second out of the video and delete the rest. And the way you can do this is to click on the video you want to edit. Click on split at the place you want it to cut off from and delete. When you are satisfied, just export your video and you can now share on TikTok. I hope this is explanatory enough. If not, please do let me know. Let me make it more explanatory.